Just for reference, Tangaroa Terrace is right next to Trader Sam's. It's actually behind Trader Sam's. So Trader Sam's is located right here. And that's where you could get a bunch of drinks. But for where we're actually going, it's on the very back end of Trader Sam's. It's over here. Oh. This is Tangaroa Terrace. It's located over here behind the Disneyland Hotel pool. And it's right behind Trader Sam's. Everything's actually been like updated and remodeled, and there's a specific Dole Whip pickup window. Look at that. How cool is that? They have a lot of to-go items over here. You can even get cereal. Got some brown brittle. Never even heard of that. And then this is what they got located over here at Tangaroa Terrace. You could get lunch and dinner after 11. They have a chili, garlic, edamame, Kahlua style poutine. Looks pretty good. And they got an Angus 1/3 pound Hawaiian cheeseburger. Man, I'm getting hungry just reading this. And then they also got a poo-poo platter. That's actually that's actually old, but I'm glad that they saved it. They got a fried spam musubi, that's new. Sweet and spicy chicken wings, gyoza. Oh. And if you are interested, they got some items for the kids as well. This is a perfect place to just come, chill out, enjoy some food, enjoy the hot fire over here. And this is all located at Tangaroa Terrace. So if you are interested in seeing what it actually looks like inside Tangaroa Terrace, they have bathrooms, a nice seating area. It's well air conditioned in here. So you don't always have to eat outside. You can eat it inside, just in case it's like a rainy day out here at Disneyland. So Tangaroa Terrace now has an extension over here behind Trader Sam's. We've all been to Trader Sam's, but the really cool part about this extra edition of Tangaroa Terrace is that all the drinks that you would get at Trader Sam's, you could actually now get them all here on the backside. And this is way less crowded than what Trader Sam's usually gets. Look at this tiki mug.
The Bloody Mary is so freaking good, dude.
Oh man, this is an awesome addition over here at the Disneyland Hotel area. And let me show you guys what they got. So there's a couple variations of the Dole Whip, which we all love over here at Disneyland. They have the pineapple Dole Whip float, and then the one that we're gonna get and focusing on today is the Dole Whip float with a splash of rum. And that one comes in at $11. And it's a walk-up bar, so you just walk up, order your drink, and they start at 11:30 all the way to closing time. This is so cool. And if you do want, just saying, if you want to get a coffee while you're over here, you can definitely get yourself an Americano, even a latte or a cappuccino. And it's fairly priced, like it's not ridiculously priced. I love it. All right, let's get our Dole Whip floats. So you can get the Dole Whip float with a splash of rum. They actually have a Myers Dark, and then they also have a coconut version. So there's two types of rums that you can get. You don't have to just get the one that it comes with, so you have that option. Don't forget about that. It's a 5-fire tip. Here's a good look at the bar. They have a nice seating area right here. So cool. Look at all the theming on the seats. Ooh. Ew. So as I was saying, we got both type of rums. So we got the coconut rum, which is the lighter version, and then we also got the Myers Dark rum, and it's a splash of rum, but that definitely does not look like a splash of rum. In my opinion, this is the best way to have a Dole Whip. And if you are a professional, this is how you do it. You get a tahini, put it on top. We finally get to try these out. I always get the dark rum. I never actually tried the coconut, so that's kind of the newer one that I'm not too familiar with, but I'm glad we got both. Try out which one's the better one. But we're gonna try this one with the splash of the dark rum. It's a Dole Whip, just like you would get at Disneyland, but this one's actually alcoholic, which for a lot of people, this is what's up. Whoa! My God! Explosion of tahini, rum, and Dole Whip. That is really good. Woo! Okay, first thing I want to say, this Dole Whip is strong, and the rum is strong, so it's just a very it's just a very powerful taste. That's easily 5 fires. My gosh, I was not ready for that. I did not know the rum was this strong. This one is with the coconut rum. I don't know what to expect here. All right, let's get it. Wow. Okay, the biggest difference out of these, that is hella strong. My gosh, that is strong. This is more on like the soothing, light tasting side. It's a nice smooth rum with the hint of coconut. It's not very strong, but I definitely recommend this. This comes in at 5 fires too. We're gonna give this 5 fires. So they're both 5 fires. Without a doubt, recommend these. You have to get this on your Disneyland vacation trip. This is like a must. So the one that I would recommend the most, I have to go with the stronger one. This is delicious. I can't say enough, especially with the tahini as a topping and making it a little spicy. I love it. This is a must get on your Disneyland vacation trip. Thank you guys for watching 5 Fires YouTube. I appreciate all the support. This is just another one of our Disneyland vacation tips. There's many more to come. I'm gonna have a whole playlist full of Disneyland vacation tips as I want you to have the best trip possible on your next Disney trip. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not already following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at the Cali Bay. Please subscribe, hit the like button. We are firing it down, firing it down. I'm the main host, Mondo. Ah.